Class 9, we are going to start exercise 10.2, question number 1. In this question, there are 3 parts and this one is difficult. Okay, little bit difficult. Please concentrate when I am taking class. Otherwise, you will get confused. Okay. Subal Babu of Antpur, by producing rice, sells it to a wholesaler, Shahana Bibi, at 20% profit. Shahana Bibi sells that rice to the shopkeeper Utpal Babu at 10% profit. But if Utpal Babu sells the rice at 12% profit, then let us find out the answers of the following questions by drawing picture on a straight line. By drawing picture on a straight line means we have to draw a straight line picture, okay, between among Subal Babu, Shahana Bibi and Utpal Babu. Okay, there are 3 persons who are doing this business, rice producing business, selling that one. Okay, first one is Subal Babu. Subal Babu. Okay, second one is Shahana Bibi. And third one is Utpal Babu. Okay. Now, what they are saying, again read the question. Subal Babu of Antpur, by producing rice, sells it to wholesaler Shahana Bibi at 20% profit. Means Subal Babu is producing rice and selling that rice to Shahana Bibi at 20% profit. This is the question. Okay. We have 2 things with Subal Babu. What? Cost price and selling price. When Subal Babu is selling rice to Shahana Bibi, then his profit percentage is 20%. So this one is profit percentage. This is I am making straight line diagram. Okay, straight line diagram I am making. Okay, you have to make, if in the question it is mentioned that following question by drawing picture on a straight line. If it is mentioned in your question, you have to make this one. Otherwise, you will not get full marks. Whether you will solve or not, you will not get. Okay. Now, second line. Shahana Bibi sells that rice to the shopkeeper Utpal Babu. Now, Shahana Bibi is selling that rice to Utpal Babu. Okay, at 10% profit. Again, Shahana Bibi has 2 things: cost price and selling price. And when Shahana Bibi is selling that rice to Utpal Babu, then she is making 10% profit. Okay. But if Utpal Babu sells this rice at 12% profit, now they are saying if Utpal Babu also sells that rice at 12% profit, but they are not saying to whom Utpal Babu is selling that rice. Okay, so just I am making this one 12% profit, and also Utpal Babu has 2 things: cost price and selling price, and this one is profit percentage. Okay. Now class 9, again I am repeating the question. There are 3 persons. Okay, Subal Babu, Shahana Bibi and Utpal Babu. Subal Babu selling the rice to Shahana Bibi at 20% profit. Again, Shahana Bibi is selling that to Utpal Babu at 10% profit, and Utpal Babu is selling to someone, don't know whom, okay, at 12% profit. Understood? Now, by seeing this straight line diagram, you can see that, see, Subal Babu selling price and Shahana Bibi cost price will be same, by because whatever will be the selling price of Subal Babu, Shahana Bibi's cost price is that much, means Subal Babu is selling that price to Shahana Bibi. It means that selling price of Subal Babu is equals to Shahana cost price of Shahana Bibi. Again, I am giving one example to you. You are going to shop. You are buying one kurti at ₹500. Okay. Now you are selling that kurti to your friend at ₹600. Your selling price is 600 and her cost price will be 600. Means your selling price and her cost price will be same. That is why I am telling you here that Subal Babu's selling price will be equal to Shahana Bibi's cost price. Again the same thing. Shahana Bibi is selling that rice to Utpal Babu at 10% profit. It means that selling price of Shahana Bibi will be equal to cost price of Utpal Babu. Okay, please try to understand this relationship. If you are getting confused, please write it one by one, that selling price of Subal Babu is equals to cost price of Sahana Bibi, and selling price of Sahana Bibi will be equal to cost price of Utpal Babu. Understood up to here? Now read question number 1. Subal Babu has spent rupees 7,500 to produce some amount of rice. Who is spending? Subal Babu. How much? 7,500. Means cost price of Subal Babu is 7,500. Let us calculate and write it with how much money Sahana Bibi has bought that amount of rice. See the connection between Subal Babu and Sahana Bibi. Subal Babu's selling price will be equal to cost price of Sahana Bibi. Okay. Now in the first question, what they are saying, that cost price of Subal Babu means spend money. Subal Babu, how much? Rupees 7,500. Okay. And you know what is the profit percentage of Subal Babu when he is selling that rice to Sahana Bibi? At that time, profit percentage of Subal Babu is 20%. Now they are asking that let us calculate and write it with how much money Sahana Bibi has bought that amount of rice. With how much money Sahana Bibi has bought that rice, means they are asking cost price of Sahana Bibi. So how you will find cost price of Sahana Bibi? You know that, what you will write? We know that selling price of Subal Babu equals to cost price of Sahana Bibi. You know how you know? Because of this straight line diagram, that when Subal Babu will sell something to Sahana Bibi, then selling price of Subal Babu will be equal to cost price of Sahana Bibi. Okay. Now selling price of Subal Babu equals to cost price of Sahana Bibi. So if you will find selling price of Subal Babu, then you can say that cost price of Sahana Bibi is that much only. Okay. Now what is the formula for SP? Selling price of Subal Babu, right? Selling price of Subal Babu equals to, what is the formula? 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP, means cost price. Okay. Why I am using this formula? Because we know two things: profit percentage as well as cost price. Cost price of Subal Babu is rupees 7,500 and profit percentage is rupees 20%. Sorry, not rupees, 20%. Okay. Now just put the values. 100 plus profit percentage is 20 by 100. Now cost price is 7,500. Okay. Now cancel 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 0 from here. 100 plus 20 will give you 120 into 75. Now multiply this one. How much you will get? You will get 9,000. Okay. You can multiply it. You know how to multiply. Please copy this one up to here. Then I will go to part 2 of question number 1. Now in the first answer, what you can write, since selling price of Subal Babu is equals to cost price of Sahana Bibi, therefore selling cost price of Sahana Bibi will be 9,000. Please write it in a statement. Okay. Now read part 2. 1, 2. To produce the sum amount of rice. To produce some amount of rice, Subal Babu has spent rupees 2,500. Now Subal Babu is spending rupees 2,500. It means cost price of Subal Babu is rupees 2,500. With how much money Utpal Babu will sell that amount of rice? Now they are asking that if cost price of Subal Babu is 2,500, then find the selling price of Utpal Babu. Means first we have to find selling price of Subal Babu, that will be equal to cost price of Sahana Bibi. Then we have to find selling price of Sahana Bibi. That one will be equal to cost price of Utpal Babu, and after that we will find selling price of Utpal Babu. So there is some mistake. Okay, one by one I am showing you. Now what is given to you? CP of Subal Babu. Rupees how much? 2,500. Now and profit percentage, same. Profit percentage will not change because only one profit percentage is given for each one. Okay, so 20%. Now find selling price of Subal Babu. Okay, you know the formula we used right now. 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into cost price. Okay, so 100 plus 20 by 100 cost price now 2,500. Okay, now solve this one. 0 0 0 0 will cancel out. ST equals to 120 into 25, you will get 0, 25, 2s are 50, then 0, 5, 25, 1s are 2. 3,000. Now what you will write? Selling price of Subal Babu is equals to, selling price of Subal Babu is equals to cost price of Sahana Bibi. So you will write cost price of Sahana Bibi. Okay, which is equals to how much? Tell me. 3,000. We got selling price of Subal Babu 3,000, and by seeing this diagram you can see that selling price of Subal Babu will be equals to cost price of Sahana Bibi. That is why I am writing selling price of Subal Babu equals to cost price of Sahana Bibi, which is equals to rupees 3,000. Okay, now we got cost price of Sahana Bibi. Complete this one. Okay, now after getting cost price of Sahana Bibi, we have to find selling price of Sahana Bibi. Now what you will write? Cost price of Sahana Bibi is equals to how much you got? Rupees 3,000. And if cost price of Sahana Bibi is rupees 3,000 and her profit percentage is 10%, you have to use this one. And profit percentage of Sahana Bibi percentage 10%. Now selling price of Sahana Bibi you will get how much? Formula will be same, 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. Okay, now 100 profit percentage is how much? 10% by 100 into CP. CP is 3,000. Now cancel 2 zeros up and down. 100 plus 10, 110 plus multiply 30. You will get 2 zeros, 3 ones are 3 ones are 3,300. Okay, now we got selling price of Sahana Bibi. We got this. If selling price of Sahana Bibi is rupees 3,300, then cost price of Utpal Babu will be same. So again I am writing here selling price of Sahana Bibi equals to cost price of Utpal Babu. Okay, equals to 3,300. Okay, 3,300. So we got cost price of Utpal Babu. Okay, complete this one. Now, if we got cost price of Utpal Babu, what we will write? CP of, CP means cost price, okay? Cost price of Utpal Babu equals to how much? 3,300. And Utpal Babu profit percentage is 12%. So you will write profit percentage equals to 12%. Okay. Now what you have to find? Selling price of Utpal Babu. You will get easily. You know the formula. Selling price of Utpal Babu equals to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. Please learn all the formula properly. Okay. Otherwise you will get confused. Which formula we will use? Where we will use? All this. Now, profit percentage is 12 by 100. CP is 3,300. Cancel 0 from up and down. So, 100 plus 112 into 33. Okay, when you will multiply, how much you will get? 3696. You will get 3696. Please multiply this one. Okay, means. So, what you will write in a statement in the last, that selling price of Utpal Babu is rupees 3,696. Complete this portion and go through it properly. What we have done, cost price of Subal Babu given to you. We are finding selling price. Then selling price will be equal to cost price of Sahana Bibi, and using that cost price, we are finding selling price of Sahana Bibi. Sahana Bibi's selling price will be equal to cost price of Utpal Babu, and by finding cost price of Utpal Babu, we can get selling price of Utpal Babu. Okay, so please go through it 2 times, 3 times, and try to understand the steps properly. Question number 3. Now, in the third question, it is written the price at which Utpal Babu sells rice to us. If Subal Babu sells directly at the price, then what will be the profit percentage of Subal Babu? Please try to understand the question properly. The price at which Utpal Babu sells rice to us. At what price he is selling? Utpal Babu, we got 3,696. Okay, this one will be 96. Okay, we got selling price of Utpal Babu, how much? 3,696 from second question. But in the question it is written, the price at which Utpal Babu sells rice to us, if Subal Babu sells directly at that price, then what will be the profit percentage of Subal Babu? Now they are saying that if selling price of Utpal Babu will be equal to selling price of Subal Babu, means directly Subal Babu is selling without using Sahana Bibi and Utpal Babu. Okay, then at what profit percentage he will profit? Okay, so I have written selling price of Utpal Babu equals to selling price of Subal Babu equals to rupees 3,696. Now, cost price of Subal Babu. In the second question, go to second question and see what is the cost price of Subal Babu. You will find as cost price of Subal Babu given as rupees 2,500. So selling price of Subal Babu is rupees this. Cost price of Subal Babu is rupees this. Okay, then you will get profit. Profit of Subal Babu. What is the formula for profits? SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. How much you will get? 3696 minus 2500. 6, 9, 6 minus 5, 1, 3 minus 2, 1 means 1,196 will be your profit. So profit percentage of Subal Babu, formula is profit percentage by CP into 100. You know this formula. Profit percentage is profit by CP into 100. Profit is how much? 1,196. 1,196. Cost price is 2,500 into 100. Okay, solve this one. 0 will cancel, 0 will cancel. You are getting, I am writing here. Okay, 1,965 25. So how much you will get after solving this one? 47 21 by 25. Only you have to divide. I think you know how to divide 1,196 by 25. You will get profit percentage of Subal Babu will be 47 21 by 25. Again I am telling you the question that is written. The price at which Utpal Babu sells that rice, if Subal Babu directly sells that rice, it means that selling price of Utpal Babu will be equal to selling price of Subal Babu, which is 3,696. Cost price of Subal Babu is rupees 2,500. Why? Because in the second part we got 2,500. It is given already. 2,500 is the cost price of Subal Babu. We got profit. Profit formula is SP minus CP. We are getting 1,196. Profit percentage of Subal Babu formula is profit by CP into 100. You will cancel 0, 0. You will get 1,196 divided by 25. When you will divide, you will get 4721 by 25%. Okay, to complete it.